Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we on ultra power saving mode in our Tecno phone. Guys you want to on your ultra power saving mode, so friends you can on it. And guys now let's see how to on ultra power saving mode in our Tecno phone. In this video guys I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all guys subscribe the channel and click the bell icon and like my video. So when first of all open your phone setting to on guys ultra power saving mode, then guys scroll it. So friends, you can see guys your phone battery life setting. Friends, tap here, and guys you can see ultra power saving mode settings. So friends, tap here, then guys you can on from here. So when tap here the right side, then guys your ultra power saving mode will off, and guys you can use guys only call and message and calendar setting. So are you friends who have understood how to on ultra power saving mode? So you don't have battery in your phone and guys you are outside, so you should on guys your ultra power saving mode, and guys you can save your battery for some hours. After reach home guys you can charge your phone. So like that guys you can use your ultra power saving mode setting, and guys you can on in your Tecno phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye friends.